Good morning, sixth grade. Welcome to our last week of school. First, I want to just tell you how proud I am of all of you for everything that you've gone through to end this school year. I know for many of you it was not an easy process. This week, we have 4 days, really no assignments. As we go through this, you're going to start today, Monday, and this is going to be something that will be due on Thursday, is you do have some challenge cards that you can go through for extra credit. So as you click on these and go through them, there are several different challenges. You only need to do one of those to earn the 5 extra credit points. If you want to bookmark the engineering cards here that we've got, and some of these are more science based and some are more engineer based, you can go through and bookmark those, and you can do those over the summer if you want to have something extra to do for little science activities. But choose one of these, and then you're going to share that activity and the science behind what you learned on a little Flipgrid, and that's going to be due on Thursday. So you'll need to submit that to me on Thursday via that Flipgrid, just explaining what you did and explain the science behind it. And when you go through those cards, it'll kind of explain some of that. On Tuesday, your focal point is going to be on all missing and late work, ensuring that you have everything completed, everything is in. I need to get grades completed by Thursday, so I need to have you submit everything to me on Tuesday, please. So please check for missing assignments. Email me if you think I don't have something updated. Please communicate that to me. On Wednesday, we're going to have a live Google Meet. So you will get an invitation on your calendar as well as on your Schoology science update, and I will update that times, but the times are going to be, I believe it is, first hour will be 9 a.m., second hour is 9:30, third hour is 10, fourth hour is 1 o'clock, and fifth hour is 1:30. So those will be the times for our Google Meet on Wednesday. And I'd really like for everybody to attend. I think everybody's missing everyone. If you can please try to do that on Wednesday at your specified time, just to say hi to everyone. Everyone can see your face, say goodbye. I think that'll be an important thing. That'll mean a lot to me too. So hopefully we'll all see you Wednesday. And then Thursday, I'm just going to ask you again, just a simple little Flipgrid. What advice would you give to the incoming sixth graders about our class or middle school in general? So as you kind of see that, what advice? Again, keep it clean, keep it positive, but what advice would you give to the incoming sixth graders? So think about that for a little bit. What would you want to say as a legacy? Have a great week. We'll see you on Wednesday. Bye, sixth graders.